Sometimes people just tell you, you need to save, you need to save, you need to save, you need to save. But actually, they don't tell you how do you save. Welcome, this is smart-cartkenya with Emmanuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to save while shopping across major supermarkets in Kenya. SmartCart is an online comparison tool where we compare different products across different supermarkets. Currently, we compare products across Chandarana, Quickmart, Carrefour, Eastmart, and Naivas. So let me show you how to compare prices so that you can save. First, before even thinking about comparing product, you must have a shopping list. So when you have a shopping list, you click on the browser that you are using. Just okay, for me, I'm using Google. I'll click Google, and then you search SmartCart Kenya, and then you click it. So you search for SmartCart Kenya. You see there are many SmartCart Kenya. So you need to search for this one that has SmartCart Kenya compare grocery prices and save money. So it's an app that was created through Lovable. So this one you click on it. This is our hero page. So on the hero page, when you log in, you'll just find unlock exclusive deals. So when you haven't signed up, you won't see many offers across different supermarkets. If you want to see more, you need to sign up. But maybe let's say you don't want to sign up. So you just click maybe later. So for you to compare prices, you scroll up to product catalog. So product catalog is where it enables you to compare prices across different supermarkets. So scroll up to here. So this is the product catalog. So in the product catalog, we do a shopping list. Maybe let me just create an imaginary shopping list. So let's say I want to buy 2 kg wheat flour, 2 kg maize flour, and 2 kg rice. So first, my first product is wheat flour. So you come here at baking flour, you compare prices. So let's say I want to choose X all purpose. You just choose it. Let me choose from Carrefour. Then you go back. My second product is maize flour. So maize flour, you go where maize flour is. You click compare prices. Let me choose Ajab 2 kg. So you don't need to choose from a specific supermarket. You can just choose randomly. And then SmartCart Kenya will arrange all the products and show you which supermarket is the cheapest with the shopping list that you have. So you go back to category. My third product is sugar. So you just scroll where sugar is. Sugar, here it is. You compare prices. So let's say I want to choose Nutramel 2 kg. So you just scroll where Nutramel is. So you see Nutramel 2 kg. I just choose it from any supermarket. I choose Eastmart, and then you go back to category. So my last product is rice. So just come here, scroll. Here is rice. So you click compare prices. So let's say I want to choose, you can just choose any. Let me check which one do I have. Which one do I want? So let me just choose Dawati Basmati 2 kg. I just choose this one. Let me choose from Naivas. And so after finishing to select all the products that you have in your shopping list, you'll see on the bottom of the screen there's something like a cart. So this is where all the products that you have selected are inside it. So you just click it. So when you click it, you'll see all the products that you have chosen. So currently, the best price or the best supermarket where I can go is Naivas. Naivas, with all these 4 items, I'll just spend 1,148. If you go to Quickmart, you'll spend 1,237. If you go to Eastmart, you spend 1,297. By just knowing which supermarket to go, you actually save some cash. It will be good for one to go to different supermarkets to do your shopping, but I know it is time consuming and also it takes a lot of energy. We will introduce that feature some days so that you can be able to shop across different supermarkets at the same time. For more insights on how to save while doing your shopping, follow us. Smart Card Kenya. Thank you so much.